Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 49, the last on agreement. When a clause begins with who, which, or that, which verb does it take? Today, agreement in adjective clauses. Our last agreement topic, adjective clauses. An adjective clause starts with a relative pronoun, who, which, or that, and describes a noun. The key rule: the verb inside the clause agrees with the pronoun's antecedent, the noun it stands for. The dog that barks, that stands for dog, singular, so barks. The dogs that bark, now that stands for dogs, plural, so bark. Find what the relative pronoun refers to and match the verb to that. Now a classic SAT pattern. One of the. Carla is one of the students who speak Spanish. Does who refer to Carla or to students? It's students. Several students speak Spanish, and Carla is one of them. So who stands for students, plural, and the verb is speak. The phrase one of the points the pronoun at the plural noun. But watch this twist, the only one of. Arlo is the only one of my brothers who has a scar. Now who refers to one, not brothers, because only one brother, Arlo, has the scar. The word only narrows it to a single person. So who stands for one, singular, and the verb is has, not have. The phrase the only one of flips it back to singular. Let's make it a routine. First, find the antecedent. Ask what the relative pronoun, who, which, or that, actually stands for. Second, if you see one of the, followed by a plural noun, the antecedent is that plural noun. But third, if you see the only one of, the antecedent is one, singular. Then just match the clause's verb to the antecedent you found. Antecedent first, then agreement. That's the whole game. Let's practice. Decide what the relative pronoun stands for, then choose the verb. Watch for one of the versus the only one of. Pause and try each. Jaime is the only one of my relatives who blank, the fiddle. The only one makes the antecedent one, singular, so plays, so plays. Wheat is one of the crops that blank, farmers. The antecedent is crops, plural, so support, so support. Broccoli is one of the vegetables that blank, calcium. The antecedent is vegetables, plural, so contain, so contain. A few more. The only one of means singular. Plain one of the means plural. Pause and try each. Frost is one of the poets who blank won the Pulitzer Prize. The antecedent is poets, plural, so have, so have. Harold is the only one of us who blank that movie. The only one makes the antecedent one, singular, so likes, so likes. London is one of the English cities that blank, tourist meccas. The antecedent is cities, plural, so are, so are. Let's wrap up Chapter 6. In an adjective clause, the verb agrees with the relative pronoun's antecedent, the word it stands for. With one of the, followed by a plural noun, the antecedent is plural, so the clause verb is plural, one of the students who speak. But the only one of points to one, singular, so the verb is singular, the only one of my brothers who has. Find the antecedent first, then agree. And that completes Chapter 6 on subject-verb agreement. Nicely done. In Lesson 50, we'll begin Chapter 7 on pronouns.